Do you find yourself still stressed and on edge long after your workday is done? It's a common problem, especially for caregivers. This video will give you practical tips and techniques to manage that lingering stress response and finally find peace when you get home. Let's get started. So why does this happen? Well, even after you've clocked out, adrenaline and cortisol can still be circulating in your body. Your brain, used to being on high alert, continues to scan for potential threats. And deeply ingrained expectations about performing and being in control keep that stress response active. It's like driving a car with the parking brake on. You're moving forward, but it's costing you unnecessary energy. The first step is to identify your personal stress triggers. For many, the silence at home after a demanding workday can be a significant trigger. The Harmoni app can help you map out when and why your stress response is activated. By becoming aware of these triggers, you can begin to prepare yourself both mentally and physically and start to find space for calm. Next time you feel your thoughts racing, try the StopStress exercise. Start by noticing the physical sensations of stress, like tension in your shoulders or a shallow breath. Observe these feelings without judging them. Then take 5 slow, deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Continue until you feel the tension begin to release. This technique helps you regain control in the moment. It's essential to explore your stored expectations. What's the worst thing that could happen if you lost control? Identify these limiting beliefs and then challenge them. Try replacing the thought, I must be in control, with, I did my best today and now I deserve to relax. This creates a new, more positive emotional response over time. Users who regularly use Harmoni reports a 30% reduction in stress levels within just 1 week. They experience less daily anxiety, report better sleep quality, and ultimately have more time for the things they love. It is possible to change things for the better, and it can start today. Commit to a small daily practice. Choose one trigger from your day, perhaps a difficult conversation with a colleague or a demanding situation with a patient. Use Harmoni to train a new, calmer response. How could you have approached the situation differently? How can you meet a similar situation tomorrow with more peace of mind and self-assurance? This is memory reconsolidation in practice, which is a natural and safe way to change your old stored experiences, creating a new experience that changes emotional responses over time. This can help you to find the real you and to have less reactivity and more conscious action and to live a more complete and joyous life. Even just a few minutes each day can help you feel more clear and reduce your stress. Taking a walk in nature, talking to a friend or family member, or practicing the StopStress exercises taught earlier in this video can help a lot. In addition, the Harmoni app can assist you in developing a regular practice that will make this happen for you. So remember to identify your triggers, practice the StopStress exercise, and challenge those limiting beliefs. By taking these steps, you can break free from the cycle of stress and regain your peace of mind after work. And to help you on your journey, download Harmoni for free. You'll get a 14-day trial to experience the benefits firsthand. Start today and enjoy your free time.